Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix Snapchat verification code not received problem on this Snapchat. So if you are facing this problem, you can first of all open your Play Store application and update your Snapchat mobile application. So if your Snapchat mobile application is not up to date, you can update it first. Maybe this is the problem. You will not get your verification code or confirmation code. Other way is that go to the settings and go to the apps and notification, or you can simply have manage app option on your phone. You can open Snapchat from that. Now search for Snapchat. Once you will search for the Snapchat, you have to go to the storage and cache, and here you have to clear the storage. So in this way you can fix this problem. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.